Discuss the role of education in addressing global challenges. Arts and Humanities Unit. Number 4 Economic Perspectives of Education. Topic 2. The role of education in addressing global challenges, e.g., poverty, inequality. Lecture. Number 4. The role of education in addressing global challenges. Title: The role of education in addressing global challenges. Subtitle: Understanding Education's Impact on Global Issues. Lubna Mehboob. Date: 9th January, 2025. Introduction. Context. Global challenges such as poverty, inequality, climate change, health crises, and conflict require collective action. Key point: education plays a crucial role in addressing these challenges by empowering individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary for sustainable solutions. The role of education in addressing global challenges. Education plays a pivotal role in addressing various global challenges by empowering individuals and societies to create solutions, adapt to changing circumstances, and foster sustainable development. It enables people to acquire the skills, knowledge, and values necessary to tackle issues such as poverty, inequality, climate change, health crises, and more. Here's how education contributes to addressing these challenges. 1. Tackling poverty and inequality. Improved economic opportunities. Education provides individuals with the tools and skills necessary to secure better jobs, leading to higher incomes and economic mobility. This helps lift communities out of poverty. Empowerment of marginalized groups. Education can reduce social and economic disparities by providing access to knowledge and opportunities, particularly for women, children, and marginalized communities. Addressing social mobility. Education fosters social mobility by breaking the cycle of poverty, ensuring future generations have better prospects. 2. Promoting sustainable development. Environmental awareness. Education raises awareness about environmental issues such as climate change, deforestation, and biodiversity loss. It empowers individuals and communities to adopt more sustainable lifestyles and practices. Innovating solutions. Through education, people learn how to develop and implement technologies and practices that reduce environmental harm and promote sustainability, e.g., renewable energy, sustainable agriculture. Fostering responsible citizenship. Educated individuals are more likely to support and participate in sustainability initiatives, from recycling to advocating for environmental policies. 3. Enhancing global health and well-being. Health education. Knowledge about sanitation, nutrition, disease prevention, and healthcare services improves overall public health. Education on preventive measures, like vaccination and hygiene practices, can reduce the spread of diseases. Addressing health crises. In times of global health crises, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, education helps in disseminating accurate information about safety protocols, treatments, and vaccine awareness. Promoting mental health. Education about mental health issues reduces stigma and encourages individuals to seek help, fostering overall societal well-being. Advancing peace and security conflict resolution skills. Education promotes critical thinking, dialogue, and conflict resolution skills, helping individuals and communities to resolve disputes peacefully rather than resorting to violence. Promoting tolerance and understanding. Through education, people learn to appreciate cultural diversity and understand different perspectives, fostering global cooperation and reducing the potential for conflict. Civic education. Education helps people understand their rights, responsibilities, and the importance of rule of law, thereby promoting peaceful and stable societies. 5. Addressing global challenges through innovation. Development of new technologies. Education drives innovation by equipping individuals with the necessary skills to develop new technologies that can solve problems such as energy shortages, food security and climate change, research and scientific advancements. Education, especially in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, supports research and development efforts that are essential in finding solutions to global challenges. Entrepreneurship. Education encourages entrepreneurship, which can lead to the development of new businesses and solutions that address global issues like unemployment, poverty, and environmental sustainability. Five, addressing global challenges through innovation. Development of new technologies education drives innovation by equipping individuals with the necessary skills to develop new technologies that can solve problems such as energy shortages, food security, and climate change, research and scientific advancements. Education, especially in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, supports research and development efforts that are essential in finding solutions to global challenges. Entrepreneurship. Education encourages entrepreneurship, which can lead to the development of new businesses and solutions that address global issues like unemployment, poverty, and environmental sustainability. 6. Building resilience to global challenges. Adaptation to change. Educated communities are better equipped to adapt to the challenges posed by globalization, climate change, and economic disruptions. Education enables people to understand complex issues and respond effectively. Crisis management. Education in emergency preparedness and disaster response ensures communities are better prepared for natural disasters, health emergencies, and economic shocks. Lifelong learning, continuous education helps people stay informed and adaptable in a rapidly changing world, which is vital for tackling emerging global challenges. 7. Supporting global citizenship. Fostering global awareness, education cultivates a sense of global citizenship, encouraging individuals to think beyond local issues and understand their role in addressing global challenges. Collaboration and cooperation. Education promotes the ability to work collaboratively across borders to solve issues such as climate change, public health, and international conflict. Inspiring advocacy and action. Educated individuals are more likely to become active participants in global movements and initiatives, such as advocating for human rights, environmental justice, and fair trade. Slide 10. Conclusion. Summary. Education is key to addressing global challenges by equipping individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to innovate, collaborate, and create sustainable solutions. Call to action. Investing in education is not just a moral obligation, but a necessary step toward creating a better future for all. Conclusion. In summary, education is an essential tool in addressing global challenges. By providing knowledge, skills, and values, education empowers individuals to contribute meaningfully to solving the world's most pressing issues. It enables the development of innovative solutions, encourages sustainable practices, promotes peace and security, and fosters global cooperation. Thus, investing in quality education is not just a moral imperative, but a strategic necessity for addressing the complex global challenges we face today and in the future. Thank you. Message: thank you for your attention. Any questions?